The latest edition of the Manufacturer magazine has dropped. It's our last issue of the year, and I've got it here in front of me, so let's take a quick look. As you can see here, our lead feature was on our interview with Sarah Jones, MP, talking all things industrial strategy. Part of her interview can be heard in a recent episode of the Manufacturer podcast. Factory visits include a trip to MX Award finalists Amtico, discussed their growth story and their implementation of new technologies.
We sell a lot to homeowners, particularly in the UK, because it's the kind of ideal product for kitchens and bathrooms, and many people actually do their whole homes in Amtico as well, which obviously we just love to see.
Then just over the page from them, we've got a feature on Lawton Tubes, a manufacturer of copper tubes and associated products. Then if we take it back to page 21, it's Essity, Manchester-based and well-known for brands such as Cushell, Plenty, Velvet, Bodyform, Tenor and Torque.
On site we're an integrated mill, which means we create paper and we also convert it into the product that you'd pick up on shelf.
And Welsh manufacturer Makefast got a visit from us on their 50th birthday. They manufacture systems for super yachts and luxury boats. And last but not least, on the factory visit tour, Wenlock Spring, discussing sustainability initiatives.
For our industry and lots of industries, I think, we're all looking at what we can do to reduce our carbon footprint, what we can improve, looking at new technologies, even on production lines, filling lines, but also the packaging end of line, So I think that's the same for everyone at the moment. We're looking at how we can improve or do it better.
Then back to the beginning, the page over from our lead feature, a preview piece on Manufacturing Leaders Summit taking place very soon in Liverpool on the 26th and 27th of November. And of course, at the same venue and part of the Manufacturer Live, we have our Manufacturer MX Awards. This piece here follows the journeys of some of this year's finalists and judges. Building up to this, the awards ceremony, the greatest night of the year by far. And all these stories will be up on the Manufacturer website in the next couple of weeks, so do keep a lookout for that. But for next year, why not subscribe to the Manufacturer magazine and be some of the first people to read all these incredible stories from our thriving and innovative UK manufacturing sector.